Are there alternative punishments to jail? Attorney Brandon Davies says, if it's a low-level crime, there are multitudes of different ways you can keep yourself out of jail. There is always probation, depending on the crime. But if you have someone that's not amenable for probation, somebody who does use drugs, you want to take that in mind. You don't want to set somebody up for failure by putting them on probation. Sometimes you are going to explore the possibility of house arrest. You're going to want to look for some sort of minimized consequence that the client is going to be happy with that's not going to get them in hot water later on if they violate terms of probation. The best example would be on DUI cases in Kansas. Kansas has extremely tough DUI laws, some of the toughest in the country. Even a first-time DUI has a mandatory jail sentence associated with it. If someone who has never been in any trouble before makes one bad decision, all of a sudden, they are looking at going to jail. It could possibly hurt their family, their job, and all kinds of things over one bad choice. If it's a bad case and they do end up taking the plea or being found guilty, an attorney can still avoid a client going to jail, even though it's mandatory, by doing what they call a CWIP, Community Weekend Intervention Program. In CWIP, instead of going to jail, they go to a hotel and do drug and alcohol classes. That not only sets them up for success when they are on probation, because they have already met a lot of the requirements to do those drug and alcohol counseling, but it keeps them out of jail, and that's a pretty big deal to most folks. For a free phone consultation, contact the attorneys at Roth and Davies, LLC, at 913-451-9500.